What's going on, guys? Before we get into today's video, I just want to thank you, lads, for the support on the channel recently. I gained about 20 subscribers yesterday, which is just amazing, just for one day. Thanks so much, guys, and the likes are just amazing. I think I got one dislike in the past 5 videos I made. Well, taking consideration, I've only got about 200 views altogether on all those videos, so I don't know. I'm just really happy with the support, guys, and thanks so much. Today we're doing a Mad Lad video. I'm gonna be doing some exhaust clips comparing the two cars together, so let's get to it. Alright, boys, so little info on the cars, yeah? The BMW is a 320 Ci, so 2.2 inline 6, and I have a Magnaflow exhaust on it, so it sounds amazing. So you'll find out in a second. And the Civic, it's a Honda Civic Em1 B16A2 engine. Now, the exhaust on the Civic, God fucking knows. Right? I got it from the guy. He had the exhaust on it already. I think it's a Super Sprint, some kind of crap exhaust. It's probably rusted out. Anyways, but we're still gonna give it a try. I have a Grady exhaust, Grady Sports exhaust ready to go on the Civic, but that's another video. So if you're interested to see how that sounds, subscribe. I'll have it up on the channel in the next coming video. So we're gonna start with the cold start first on the Beamer. Then we're gonna do the same for the Civic, and then we're gonna give it some revs. Okay, so cold start on the Beamer. The camera is standing about 2 feet away, and hopefully the mic can pick it up, the rumble. So I'll start it up now. Alright, so the battery on the Civic died, so I'm just gonna have to jump start it. So hopefully it will start now. Okay, that took a while, but I'm gonna let the cars warm up now, both cars warm up, and then we're gonna give it some revs. Alright, guys, so the two cars are ready now. I gave it about 20 minutes, about 20-30 minutes to warm up. This fucker just won't stop fucking doing this. I'm so pissed off. I know he's doing his job, but it's fucking pissing me off. So let's go with the Civic. So, what do you think, guys? Which one was your favorite? I personally think the Beamer sounds a lot better, but it's not a fair fight, guys. The Beamer has a proper exhaust, and the Civic probably has a rusted out exhaust, and the exhaust tip was banging off the lip, so that's what the clicking noise was. But I have a proper exhaust going on the Civic in the near future, so keep a lookout for that. Where the Civic sounds better than the Beamer is under the bonnet. Guys, the induction noise from the Civic is just fucking brilliant. I have what they call it, a whale's penis. Yes, that's what they call it. Carbon slug intake, so give it a listen, guys. Not bad, right? Yeah, sounds good. That's it for the video, guys. Drop a like if you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Sorry for all the noises in the background. There's a construction going on, but we try to do what we can. Mad lad video today. Stay tuned for the next one, guys. I'll see you.